How to upload longer videos on Instagram Reels. Hello, everyone. My name is Smile, and in this video, I'll guide you through a helpful and practical solution for uploading longer videos on Instagram. Let's make your Instagram experience smoother and more creative. First, head to the Google Play Store and search for the Instagram application. Ensure that it's both installed and updated to the latest version for the best experience. Now launch Instagram and sign into your account if you haven't already. If you're looking to upload a longer reel, here's an important reminder. Instagram currently limits reels to 30, 45, or 60 seconds. Anything longer will be automatically rejected as a reel. But don't worry. If your video is longer, there's a simple solution. 1. Go to your profile section. 2. Tap the post option. 3. Select your video from the gallery and post it directly on your feed as a video instead of a reel. This workaround ensures your followers can still enjoy your longer content despite Instagram's current limitations. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments section. Your support helps us bring more engaging and valuable content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.